Alright, okay na. So hi guys!
I already see her. Are you gonna shoot me or something? Hello? Hello? Go up. What is that, bro? I-turn on ko kada ang robot na hard mode. Okay, this is gonna be hard mode. It means if she's murdered, she's gonna spam jumper. Or she have a good aim. Someone murdered change. I have hard mode mo both. Hard mode.
Bro. By the way guys, I'm actually bad doing surf.
What? The robot is laughing. For the robot of the murder's not dumb, kaya changes to hard mode. Okay, patay ka. I'm not gonna go there because I see. Come on, John.
Away mo to. Ay, ako lang kali dekoy.
I missed that. Oh my god. Saan ba yan? Why the jump is super high?
Kaya ako ning robot.
Super high mag-jump ang robot na. What the frick?
Robot dito tumari. The robot is dancing. Ga-fly ka ng robot ko. Ga-fly ako ng robot. Tagid. Ga-fly ako ng robot. Ano ka ba? Naan ga-fly?
Yaman?
Kita mo?
Yeah.
Fly. Ga-fly ako ng robot yun.
Hi guys, we're sharing again. Your knife is super big. Like 1,000,000 miles away.
Hello.
Hello, girl. Hi. What's your spam jump? Guys, I think it's not the robot because Sibla's always doing that. You're too close, bro.
Robot ko na. Robot
Bro,
ko
you're
na.
too close, bro.
Robot ko na. Robot ko na.
Bro, you're too close. You're too close. You're too close. As 1,000,000 milliliter. You're too close. Bro, stop. Oh. Bro, you're too close. Bro, you're too close. Calm down.
No. No. Where did that girl go? Pa-stop lang ko siya.
Wait. Nagabas ka to. Ano ka to natin? What even is? Gada, what even? Hindi na sa bro. Bro. Boy, the jump is super high. Nasa taas kong pating breast. almost died, guys. Napit yung hindi ko mapatay. Murder, please. Oh.
No.
No. Okay, guys. The robot. Let's find the robot, guys. Wait, stuck. Uy. Limpot sama. Dini, where even? I always. Okay. Bro, I said I need to put it on the hard mode. And why she is hiding. I already see this. Dito ba? Dito ba? Huh? What even is she? What even is she? Then God bless. Hindi nga ba? Hindi. Not change your spot or something? This is where
Paano mo na?
Arak ka lang galit ako.
So guys, bye-bye.
No,
Alam mo din.
Don't.
Okay, bye-bye.